What's the most insane coincidence you've ever experienced? When I was 7 years old, I went on a dinner date with my crush. We sat at a table for two with our mothers overlooking us from afar and spent the entire evening giggling about how we were so grown up we're on a date. I asked her to be my girlfriend at the end of the night, and she said yes. Our relationship lasted for 7 whole years, but when it was time to go to high school, something happened. Her family abruptly decided to move to a different country for her father's job, and so we ended things. She wanted to remain friends with me, but I said no, as that was simply too painful. As the years went on, I never really got her out of my mind. Even during my other relationships and even after graduating college, she was always my biggest what if. I always wanted to shoot her a text, but chickened out every time. I remember visiting the country she had moved to when I was 23, and while sitting down for some coffee, she walked in. I must have rubbed my eyes 10 times to make sure it was her, and only when she was leaving did I muster up the courage to run after her. We embraced a hug and immediately scheduled a dinner date that same evening. 4 years later, she's my wife, and we're currently on our honeymoon.